Mata weche magiere pacho kae IEBC bende pod nyiso jo Kenya omed bedo kod horruok. Akanyaka sani gichiwo ler ni onge ng'ato ma osedonjo e mashindegi mar loko kwan ombulu kaka osebedo ka liekore e mbui. Duol no okwedo weche moko ma bende liekore e mbui ni nitiere agent moro mane owit oko kaluore ni bende ne otemo donjo Bomas kod laptop. Commissioners mago mag IEBC olieko ni ok gibi yie ni ng'ata ng'ata ok bi chuno gi lando duoko mar ombulu mag Compton Piny tok chik. Bende oyango ni apisas mag arita biro medo kata duoko chien kaluore kod lwasi mar nywako ombulu.
The Commission is fully aware that we have 7 days to declare the presidential results, and we are committed to ensure that we comply with the Constitution and the applicable laws. We will not allow anybody, including agents of political parties, agents of presidential candidates, to frustrate the effort of trying to comply with the 7-day deadline. And therefore, we have agreed that agents will play facilitative role in terms of trying to expedite the verification process on the various, that is taking place in the various desks. We have deployed security around the tally floor, and if need be, we will increase. But depending on how peaceful the floor will be, we will reduce. We urge everyone coming into the floor, into the auditorium, whether you will be on the floor for specific roles or observing from the dais, to be respectful to the Commission employees, to be respectful to their fellow Kenyans, and to be respectful to our guests who are here by way of election observation. Let us all maintain decency, and we have already established how we can complain, how complaints can be escalated in case there will be any. And so for all those who are coming and who are not supposed to access the floor, to remain seated calmly and observe from the comfort of the seats we provided at the dais and the stairs.
Are there information, or misinformation or disinformation going around that the commission systems have been compromised, and that even the results portal that we are hosting has also been compromised? We would like to assure the country that nothing like that has happened. Of course, we anticipated that there are people who will try to hack our systems, and we put mechanisms in place to ensure that our systems are basically secured. We are monitoring all our systems at all levels, at network level, at application level, at database level, and even at operating system level. Nothing like that has happened. Of course, we know people are not sleeping. They want to make sure that our systems are down. I don't think there is any time that even our portal has twinked that it was down for even a second. This is because of the mechanism we have put in place. So we assure the whole country that our systems are actually secure.